Someone asked me, how do you connect your funnel to your website? And when I tried to reply over email, the answer seemed confusing, but it's actually not. It sounds like it would be a technical question. How do you connect these pieces in the back end technically to make your funnel part of your website? But it's actually not a technical question. It is all about how you think about your website. So let me go into my Clixlo and show you what I mean and how you can connect your funnels and your websites. So you probably think of your website as one back end, one part in this case of the back end. This is called funnels, this is called websites. They're separate things, they are different things. So the pages here are the website, the pages in funnels are not. And that is true in the back end. And it might be true in terms of if you're putting together a sitemap for SEO, then these pages, this collection of pages might be considered a website. But from the perspective of the user, the person who's coming to your website is what you say it is. So, in other words, I'm going to take this homepage of my author website, and let's say that I want to, so first of all we'll say, so this is under this URL, ruthmadisonbooks.com. And so each of these, oh no, that's not part of this website. See, so here's an example. This is not part of my website. It takes it to a different URL. Now it's no longer ruthmadisonbooks.com, it's medium.com. But anything that I put with the URL ruthmadisonbooks.com is going to be part of this website, right? So here's my freebie. This is the start of a funnel, and it's under ruthmadisonbooks.com/bonus. Same URL means it's the same website. So when we go in here and we look at the settings here, we've connected it to this domain. But if I go to a funnel, now I tend to just build the funnels in the website area because it just has to do with how you think of it, and I don't really need it to show my step by step by step. So here's an example that I gave the other day, the real estate test example. If I go to settings and I put this under my ruthmadisonbooks.com domain, boom, it's part of the same website. But how do people find it? If I haven't connected it, if it's, ruthmadisonbooks.com/real estate test example, nobody's going to stumble across that. Nobody's going to find it by just searching on my website. So we have to put down the cookie crumbs. And that is what I'm talking about when it comes to connecting your funnels and your websites. So let's say that I'm going to take this. I'm going to go over to the website that I want it to be connected to. Same URL. Now I am going to take one of the pages in this website. It has the navigation bar across the top. So the navigation bar across the top is what is telling the users who come onto my website once I shared it with them what is included as the website, right? So I have these things. And I can add to that, and I can put in a new item that goes to this link. Boom, now it's part of my website. Or I could attach it to a button or an image. Go to website URL. This is an ad I created for my own thing. Put the URL in there. Or you want it to be your home page leads to your freebie funnel through a pop-up. Put it right there. So this can be the form that is on the first page of your funnel, and then it will pull people into those other funnel steps. So that's why I say it's more about how you think about it than it is technically how you connect it. I can you know, highlight this and make this a link, and then there you go. It's connected. I can add a button to the website. And where did that button go? I'm not going to save this afterwards. There it is. Okay, so when they click the button, then it goes to the top of the funnel. So yeah, whatever's happening in the back end, the most important thing to think about when it comes to connecting your funnels and your websites is, what does it look like from the point of view of the person who's coming to your website? And how are they going to find what you want them to find? How are you going to guide them towards where you want them to be? And that's all there is to it. It's as simple as that. So even though my explanation seemed complicated, it's really just take that URL that is for the first page of your funnel, put it wherever you want. Put it wherever people are going to see it and find it. Give it out to people, but also put it on your homepage, put it on your navigation bar, put it on your pop-up, put it on a button, anywhere that you want. Call to action at the bottom of a blog post. All of these places are ways that you can guide people from your web page to the top of a funnel. So I hope that made sense. Let me know any questions you have below about that, or anything to do with funnels and Clixlo, really.